Do you want to grow long, thick, dark and healthy hair? Here is one recipe that has helped me in my hair growth journey. If you're interested, then keep on watching. So I told you in my previous video that I did hit a huge setback that has caused my hair to break a lot. So here is one recipe that I have been using to revive my hair. So first you're going to need about 4 to 5 of your hibiscus flower. Then you're going to need about 10 grams of your neem leaf. You can choose to use the leaf, you can choose to use the powder, either way is fine. Then you're going to need about 10 grams of your black seed. So I'm going to be telling you the benefits of all these things and why I am using each and every one of these later in the video. Then you're going to be taking about 10 grams of your fenugreek seed as well. So you're going to transfer everything into a clean jar just like this. Then I'm going to be adding some hot water. I'm going to be adding about 300 mils of my hot water. This will help with the infusion. You're going to stir properly to ensure that everything is submerged in the hot water. Then you're going to cover and let it sit for at least 12 hours. So I decided to let mine sit for 24 hours. So this is what it's looking like. I'm going to show you what it looks like after about 24 hours. As you can see, it's looking a lot darker. So now you're going to sieve and then use only the juice. As you can see, everything is looking dark because of the hibiscus, the neem and everything. So you can choose to use the water just as it is, or you can choose to add essential oils like I am doing. I decided to add about 10 drops of my essential oil. I'm using the eucalyptus. You can use any one of your choice. You can use tea tree, you can use peppermint, use any one. I also added about 10 drops of my lemon oil. Like I said, you can choose to use it just the way it is. Give it a good mix and then transfer it into your storage bottle and then you're good to go. So this is me trying to show you guys how I try to apply this to my hair. I try to apply this every other day. So I've been getting a lot of questions asking how you can darken your hair naturally. So what I can tell you is that you should introduce hibiscus into your regimen. As you all know, hibiscus has this dark color that it gives. This dark color that is infused in water, the more you apply to your head, the more your hair takes that color and it helps to darken your hair naturally. I also decided to use fenugreek because it helps to condition your scalp. It helps to strengthen your hair strands, to minimize breakages and all. Hibiscus also helps to condition your scalp. It also helps to promote hair growth. So the neem leaf contains antibacterial and antifungal properties which helps to treat dandruff. It also helps to prevent hair infection, which can cause your hair to thin and break. And I also added the black seeds, which helps to also promote hair growth and also prevent hair breakages. So like I said, I did hit a huge setback. That's why I decided to go back on some of my old routine to see how I can revive my hair, and I can tell you guys my hair is really doing well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time guys, please do not forget to stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.